So after morning walk, we went, had some rest, had a nice lunch, and then today there is no walk, but we came in to see a national park. So we got our dog. Sorry, here it says no dog allowed. So we came into Cape Otway. It's rest of the wood rest is us here all the time. The World War. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಥರ. This is eucalyptus tree, all tall. Wow, dead tree. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉದ್ದ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಇದೆ. Long fallen, but for the people who don't know what it is, this is a friend tree. Friend. Wow. It's a hollow. So I was waiting for that school tour or trip to go ahead so that we can continue our video. They have come from some other country as a study tour. He was explaining the rainforest. Once upon a time, past millions of years, 261
when the dinosaurs were roaming around.
Look at that tree. So many other parasite trees. It's not parasite. They depend the parent tree to grow. That's how the rainforest operates. Wood mostly rotten ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Sunlight's filtering through the trees. Very nice sun today. Very nice weather, but it's very, very cool here, as in the rainforests. Very nice to take photos. This tree is giving life to so many other trees. Smoking. It's so cold here. Okay, we'll move. ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ಲೆಸ್ ಸ್ಮೋಕ್. ಮೂಗಲ್ಲು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಮೂಗಲ್ ಬಿಡು. ಸಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದೆ. ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So this tree is standing here from 1826, more than 200. Yeah, it is hollow everywhere. ಅದು hollow. Fallen tree is so big. Niಲ್ಕೋಬೋದು ಮನ್ಸರು. Wow. ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮೂವಿ ಗಿಡ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay, this tree's left over has fallen over there. God damn it, so big, more than 5 feet, 6 feet. Wonderful. So I'm standing in the middle of the tree. And it's lost that bit from there to there. The base, so I can imagine.
ಈ ಕೆಳಗಿರೋ ಟ್ರಂಕಿನ ಮೇಲಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿ.
This tree.
ಪುಳಿಯ ಮರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎದುರು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ.
ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಗಾಳದ ಮರ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಥರ
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡು
ನಮ್ಮದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
So we got a dead tree. We'll have a look inside. ಹಂಗೆ ತಿಂದು 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 ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು.
ಬಾಬು ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ತಿಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಬೇರೆ
We stop for petrol on the way. A small town, Lavasin it's called. There you go, there's Lavasin. Sachin is putting petrol. The oldest possible petrol bunk. Antique petrol bunk. It's still pumping. And there was flying kangaroo there. A small post office, small post box, and a souvenir printing machine. It. Mushroom. Oh.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಅಂತ.
Falls. It's called Triplet Falls. There's 3 falls in this vicinity. We have seen the other 2. This one they didn't see or they didn't had a chance to look at it. Our batteries are drying. I forgot to carry the spare battery. I'll try to around 4:30 now. It's already dark, getting dark. So by the time this is 1 hour from the car park.
army hard at work in the recycling process.
Yeah, true legend. Yeah, legend of this forest. Look at that. Ooh. It's nearly 100 meters tall. So after 35 minutes of walk, we have reached the falls. The falls can be seen from here, but you will get a better view if you go up there. Not sure why it's called triplet. Maybe 1, 2 and one more somewhere. Falls is ferocious. That's triplet for you guys. That's number 1, number 2 and number 3. That should be the triplet one. Okay, it's time to go up. It says you got a steep walk from here. Probably 20 minutes walk up the mountains into the car park. Getting dark and my batteries are running low. Timber yard. Wheel. Timber. That's a steam engine to run the tracks. இல்லை அப்போ இருந்தது அப்படியே விட்டு போயிட்டு தான் இது டிம்பர் வுட்டு போடுறதுக்கு புகை
இவ்வளோ விட்டு இந்த போட்டு போகிறோம்.
Officially end the video there. My camera went into the water when we were recording the moonrise. I think so. It was wonderful, but couldn't officially end it. So we were drenched, we were soaked. I had to come back to our accommodation here, shower, clean everything, and then start the video again. So anyway, good night. I hope that moonrise and was wonderful. You all enjoyed. So I will catch you up somewhere else. But tomorrow morning, yes, there is another walk. in Apolo Bay.